Here we are at the North Tower, here at the Sheraton, here in Dallas, Texas. We got another pair of Westinghouse, modded by Montgomery KONE. Hey, here we go.
I'll go to the bathroom, boy.
Okay. 32. Alrighty, here we go. Elevator number 12. That's funny. Lobby. Hit full speed. These are actually pretty nice elevators. This is the better setup at the 3 towers here. Not as busy as the other 2 towers. That's wonderful. Innovation Decorator. Look at those buttons. $25, $24. Going down?
Yep, because I'm not gonna go back up to my room. I still have to go get Kaiju in there now for later to come back, yeah. So, all right, I'll see you in a second. Bye.
What does she need? Need hair keys or something?
The wristband for tonight.
Yes. Still have my ears.
It's like Atlantic City.
What?
The ear button.
4th floor.
Yeah. Let's see.
Thank you. Got it.
You gonna go up another one?
There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.